Hey, my name is Robbie Cornelius, and in this video, I'm just kidding. In this video, I'm going to talk about tactics that you can use to overcome the mindset of poverty. Yes, in America, poverty is a mindset. We live in a world of AI. We live in a world of the internet. We live in a world of entrepreneurship. We live in a world of opportunities. But you will always believe that somebody else is holding you back if you don't understand that the difference between rich and poor is literally a mindset. No, right? Game changer, right? Stick around. Let me show you something. Don't get fooled by this suit. I come from nothing. Had nothing growing up. Grew up in a very abusive and violent household. Dropped out of school in the 9th grade. Got involved in the streets. Started rapping. And then all of a sudden, just like that, I made a decision to turn my life around. I realized that the world wasn't holding me back. I realized that the beliefs in my subconscious mind is what was holding me back. And I'm here to let you know that the beliefs in your subconscious mind is what's holding you back. You might not understand what the subconscious mind is, but let me explain it. Your conscious mind is right here in your head. It's called a brain. That's the mind that you use to do all of your conscious decision making. Your subconscious mind is your body. That's where your behavior is. And this is why you do things a lot of times that you consciously wouldn't do, but you do it anyway because your subconscious mind, aka your body, is programmed to do those things. And the subconscious mind is programmed by emotions. And those emotions fuel the thoughts that we think that keeps us repeating the beliefs that has us behaving in the way that we've been behaving. So in order to change the quality of your life experience, a lot of times just logically making that decision is not enough. You have to invite the body, aka the subconscious mind, into that decision. This is why it's very important for you to act it out. It's just not enough for you to think positive. A lot of people have read, books on positive thinking and the law of attraction and manifesting, and that's cool. But a lot of people struggle with manifesting. And the reason why, I believe, is because they intellectually get it, but their body hasn't accepted that new perspective. So what do? You bring your body into it. You understand that your subconscious mind is more powerful than your conscious mind. Being that I know my subconscious mind is more powerful than my conscious mind, how can I program or reprogram my subconscious mind? Emotions in motion. Woo! Motion in motion. What do I mean by that? We've all been told that we need to repeat affirmations over and over again, and I love affirmations. But a lot of times, they're slow to work. Sometimes they never work. Why don't they work? Because you're doing it with your brain, but the subconscious mind is the one that's driving this train. So knowing that the body responds to emotion and emotion, we can use motion and emotion to whip up a brand new potion called a new belief system. How do we do that? Instead of just sitting there saying to yourself, I am rich, I am rich, I am rich, repeating that in your head over and over again, invite your body into the process. Here's how you do it. I want you to stand up, take your arms, and I want you to repeat the affirmations like this. I am rich, I am rich, I am rich, I am rich. Notice the difference. Now, sit down and repeat the affirmations like you've been doing it before. I am rich, I am rich, I am rich. The difference is when you sit down and do that affirmation, there's little to no emotion being generated. But when you bring your body into the affirmation and move your body as you're saying the affirmation, now you have evidence. You know for sure that you are reprogramming your subconscious mind with those affirmations because you start to feel the emotion. Emotions are evidence that a new belief is being installed into the subconscious mind. You can even say something like, I feel good. I feel good. I feel good. I feel good. Feel better. I feel better. I feel better. I feel better. Do that for 5 to 10 minutes, 3 times a day. Whatever affirmation you want to install as a new belief system in your subconscious mind, do that 3 times a day. And watch, over a period of 30 days, you're going to be a new person. I can guarantee that. The reason I can guarantee that is because if you do this over and over again for 30 days, you are retraining your subconscious mind, aka your body. You're telling it to emit a new emotion. And that new emotion that you install into your body is going to inspire you to behave differently. When you behave differently, you're going to get different results, but you got to do it every day. I call this moving affirmations. This is how you really do affirmations. An affirmation without the body being invited into the party is an affirmation that's simply not getting started. You're going to waste your time if you don't bring your body into that affirmation. And so this is a powerful way to do it. Do this for 10 minutes, for 30 days, one affirmation over and over again. Whatever belief you want to install into your subconscious mind, do that and you will change your life in due time. It's Robbie Cornelius, always encouraging you to master your mind and make money online. Subscribe.